Pressure is the amount of force per unit area. It's caused by collisions of gas particles with the inside of a container, and it increases if there are more frequent or harder collisions. The units for pressure conversion factors is 1 atm equals 101 kPa, which equals 760 mmHg, or 760 torrs, which are the same thing. Additionally, there's temperature, which depends on the kinetic energy of particles. Temperature is always measured in Kelvin, which are converted from Celsius if you add 273 to get kelvins. Volume is the measure of speed in liters, and the number of particles is the measure of moles. Standard temperature pressure, usually seen as STP, can be defined as 1 atm plus 0 degrees Celsius. There's 4 major basic gas laws, one being Boyle's law, which is the correlation between pressure-volume relationship. The pressure is inversely related to volume in Boyle's law. An example of this is the equation: the volume of a gas at 33 kPa is 100 milliliters. If the pressure increases to 50 kPa, what will be the new volume? You use Boyle's law's equation, which is P1V1 equals P2V2, and substitute 33 kPa for the P1 and 100 milliliters for V1 while you convert it to liters, because volume is always in liters. 58 kPa is used for P2, and we're looking for the second volume. You would use basic algebra to solve this, and you would get 0.0569 liters as your volume 2. Avogadro's law is the particle/volume relationship. It's modeled by the equation V1 over N1 equals V2 over N2. An example of this is if 2 moles of a gas occupies a space of 3 liters, what would be the new volume if 0.35 more moles were added? You use the equation above, V1 over N1 equals V2 over N2, and plug in 2 moles for N and 3.0 liters for V. And then for the 0.35 more moles, you would add 0.35 plus the 2 that we already had, and substitute each value into the equation above to get a total of 3.53 liters. Gay-Lussac's law is the temperature/pressure relationship, which is modeled by the equation P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. An example of this law is the pressure in a bicycle tire is 2 atm at 30 degrees Celsius. What will be the pressure if the temperature is now 38 degrees Celsius? You would plug in 2 atm for the pressure at 30 degrees Celsius, which we would convert to Kelvin for the temperature, which is Celsius plus 273, to a total of 303 Kelvin for the T1. Then you would plug in 38 degrees plus 273, which is 311 Kelvin for T2 in order to find the pressure P2. If you use basic algebra, you find that 2.05 atm is the answer for this problem. Gauss's law is the temperature/volume relationship, which is modeled by the V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2 equation. An example of which is a gas at 98 degrees Celsius occupies a volume of 0.76 liters. At what degrees Celsius temperature will the volume increase to 1.21 liters? You'll plug in the following variables, the numbers for these variables, in order to get T2, which is 156 degrees Celsius. Avogadro's law is N1 equals N2, which is only modeled if the number of the moles are the same. The combined gas law is only used if the pressure, temperature, or volume are changing. Ideal gas law constant is modeled by the equation PV equals nRT, an example of which is how many grams with 3 liters of carbon dioxide at 24 degrees Celsius and 1.10 atm weigh. You would plug in the numbers above in the question into the equation to find the number of moles and use the ideal gas law constant for R. You would find that the answer is 0.135 moles. Gas stoichiometry means that there's 1 mole, which equals 22.4 liters only if it's at STP.